Dear viewers, as you know that the fire spread by Santa Ana winds, known as devil winds, have caused the worst havoc like an atomic bomb in Los Angeles. Why are these winds called devil winds? According to some experts, for long ago, some Spanish missionaries call these winds as hot breath of Satan. Thereupon, Americans began to call these winds as devil winds due to its scalding hot, fiery, and destructive temperature. Dear viewers, these devil winds are chilling reminder of the nature.